let me give you a trick that you can also change your workspace to something like this. This is for portrait videos in which you will be working here and all the animations will be shown here. For example, if I go to the main composition that we have, then you can fit up to 100% and you can just work around and you will be able to see it like this. So how to make it is you have to go to Windows, all panel. This is the panel that we have, right? So the first thing that you can do is you can just click it and drag it this side somewhere here. Okay, I have just dragged it. It was somewhere here. I have just dragged it and just kept it the side button. Once you reach there, by dragging it, you will be able to see a change in color and you will be able to see that as well. You can just go ahead and put it like this, or maybe you can hide the things that you don't need. So this is the one.